Hello everybody, in this video I'll be showing you how to make a background similar to this one using Photoshop. So first, what you want to do is go to Settings, then scroll down until you find Wallpaper. Once you find that, click on it, and then click on the right Customize. Then go into Color, and then select the upper multicolored option, and click on White. This will make it so we'll have a blank slate for later when we edit it in Photoshop. Then click Done. Now you'll notice that your background is plain white, which looks terrible, but it's useful for later. Now also it'll be useful if you have an application that has a darker background, like for example I have Spotify, which I'll use. Next, just take a screenshot, and then you can send this through an application like Google Drive or OneDrive to your computer for later use. Then you can open Photoshop, then click Open, and select the file that you just downloaded. You should see your iPhone screen with the same relative dimensions. Then you can drag and drop your background image. Then you can change its scale and rotation to fit whatever you want. Once you're done, you can set it as invisible so that we can work with other stuff next. Then you can drag and drop your second background image. This is going to be for each cell or each app icon. And you can create a mask for it by clicking this button in the bottom right. Then click on the bottommost layer, which is your iPhone image. Click Control A, then Control C. You select all, then copy. Then Alt-click on the mask, and then click Control V. Make sure to click on the selection tool and click outside so that you can work with it later. Then, if we go back, we'll notice that something doesn't look right. So, we can Alt-click on it again, and then erase everything except for our chosen application. For me, that's going to be Spotify. To do that, you can click on the pencil tool. Make sure it's the pencil tool and not the brush tool, otherwise it will have a fall off. Select white, and then just erase everything other than your chosen application. Now that that's done, we can click back, and now it looks slightly better, but still not entirely right. So, we have to fill in the inside of the application. To do this, you can click on the color selection tool, and then pick the outer color of the application. Then, you can fill the inside of it with that same color. Now, if we click back another time, we'll notice it looks much better, however, inverted. To uninvert it, select the mask and click Invert. This time, it looks slightly transparent. To fix this, I'll click on the mask, and then click Image, Adjustments, and then Brightness and Contrast. Drag this to the maximum, and then click OK. Now, if you click on the color picker, and then click on the white color, it should show FFF. This means that it's completely white. This is as bright as it can get, which means it will be fully opaque, and the black will be fully transparent. Now you can click the Unlink button, which looks like a chain, and then move around the image. You can also rescale it by clicking Control T, set it up however you want. Once that's done, you can copy and paste it as many times as you want to fill the entire area. Make sure you relink it afterwards. Now that the entire area has been filled, you can reselect your main background and re-enable it. Then click File, Export, and quick export as PNG. Save it wherever you want so that you can access it quickly. Back on your iPhone, you can find it in your Google Drive or OneDrive and click Download. Then go to your settings, scroll down until you find Wallpaper. Then again click Customize. However, this time we're going to click Photos. Here you can click the button at the bottom left, and then go to All and find the image that you just downloaded. Once it's loaded, click Done, and then there you have it. You have your own custom background which fills the icons. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.